Welcome back all people. This is My Boat and My Life, the boating channel. We are on our way to Finnhamn, Paradisviken. We passed Aurora on our way over here and she's right behind us. We're going to try to find a spot that we can be side by side. We need a quite wide spot for that, because Aurora is over 4 meters wide and Catty is 3.5 meters wide. This spot is wide enough, or it was wide enough. Great catch there, well done. Let's see what we can find more here. This spot maybe works. It's maybe too tight, hard to tell. Is it 8 meter wide or not? We need something like 8 meters wide. Between the motorboat there, is it, I think it's not wide enough for us. Linda is preparing the boat with fenders and lines when I am thinking of a solution. I think we will wait out Aurora. Then she can moor at the spot between the sailboats and see how much space it is left. This is the spot I'm talking about. I think it will work. I will help Linda prepare the boat while we wait for Aurora. Let's turn around so you get a better view while we wait for Aurora. Earlier we prepared the boat for docking to a buoy, but now we go for anchoring instead. So Linda is taking away the safety line. You go first, I wait. Okay, is that better? Chris and Tanya on Aurora is talking about the spot further out. But I think this spot will be less windy, because the wind will increase tomorrow. We are still in this low pressure system, and it will give us some bad weather at least 1 week more. I think Linda is checking our fenders so they are in the right position. When I'm going into a dock like this, I always check the angle on the anchor lines. Where can I put my anchor without crossing any other anchor lines? And I can see the boat to my left has a slight angle on the anchor line. So I have to put my anchor either too far to the right or pretty short. And I think it will be short because we don't need that much anchor line here.
I see what you mean.
Now I get Chris to change the anchor line to Aurora's port side. That will move Aurora and the other boats to the right, and that will give me more space when I'm docking. Then we can change the anchor line to Aurora's starboard side again. If it's a tight spot like this, it's always better to pull the boat in than drive it in. If you're driving, the forces is too big and you can do some damage on the boats.
I got you here. It's okay.
Det går bra. Ja, det går bra.
Are we okay on that boat?
I will leave you with this long docking scene for a while. And you will see some action in the next scene, I promise you.
Linda, då får jag tillbaka den här. Då får du kasta andra trampor. Jag har fronten. Då kan du ge mig andra trampen också.
Is that close enough?
They can half a meter more. Half a meter more, Henrik. Det blir bra
Ollie,
det.
Ollie, what are you doing? Not yet.
Chris, I need to change our front starboard line. Bra, Linda. Ja, men det var så lite. Det går hur bra som helst. Chris.
And the next day I saw my neighbor took off in his dinghy. And now I realize the two boats over there are really close together. Maybe they need some help. I think I go over there and look.
I can pull out. Okay.
The keel is stuck on the other boat's anchor line, and they want me to pull the boat sideways. If I attach the line to my stern, I know that I lose my steering, but I will give it a try if they want me to.
Eventuellt lättare upp och trycka den.
The flag will give you an indication of how much wind there is. In the Swedish archipelago there are no waves.
Instead, I'm gonna push it.
And now I do it my way instead.
Lättare att trycka, bra. Det hade bara fastnat, inga skador va? Det hade bara fastnat. Det gick bra. Ja, så lättare att trycka på än att skjuta. Men...
Now it's time to visit an old friend. Let's see how good I am to translate what's in my head to Linda.
Vi ser så arslet inte åker in där samtidigt. Kan släppa lite här.
So she understands what's going on.
Ja, men dra in båten lite. Så du vet att du släpper så båten står still tills du har sista taget på tampen. Så här så du håller du sista änden. titta på min sida. Jag har dragit allting så jag håller i sista änden. Så vi ska ha båten stå still på samma ställe. Så nu får du dra in båten lite. Så. Och nu släpper vi. På din sida också. Så kan du ta hand om dem där sakta. Bye bye.
Bye, dude. Good to see you again.
Yes, the same.
Due to the anchor winch is on one side of the boat always twists when I use it. Therefore I often use my boat thruster to straighten the boat out.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.